Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Best Practices. This is Samir and today's video is about cleaning a top load automatic washing machine efficiently at home and save some money. In this video I will be cleaning IFB top load automatic washing machine in 3 easy steps, and they are: first, cleaning the lint filter; second, cleaning the washing machine water inlet filter; and the third, using a descaler to clean the inside of a washing machine. So please like this video and subscribe this channel for more similar interesting videos. Now let's start our cleaning process. First, I will start with cleaning the lint filter. We have to remove the lint filter gently from the washing machine by pressing the clip above. You can see the amount of lint collected, which is due to the washing of winter clothes. Then you can clean the filter as shown in the video with a toothbrush, some detergent and water. That was quite easy, right? Now let's move to the second step. In the screen you can see the Water Signs washing machine filter, which I am using for almost 4 years now. So gently rotate the filter anti-clockwise to open. And as shown in the screen, you can again use the same method: a toothbrush, some detergent and water. Let it dry for some time. And then fix it by rotating clockwise now. Tighten the filter so that water do not comes out when you are using the washing machine. So set the washing machine on tub clean mode. It will show you full water level and a couple of hours for complete cleaning. And last but not the least, using a descaler to clean the inside of a washing machine. I am using IFB descaler to clean my top load washing machine efficiently. Just pour some part of it into the detergent dispenser and the remaining part into the washing machine as shown in the screen. And after a couple of hours, the machine is totally clean now. You will find a link of the products from the video in the description. Please comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care.